Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Yes sir, official. Now see, what is this? Yes, this is a clock face. And how many hands in our body? Yes, 2 hands in our body. Similarly, clock has also 2 hands in clock face. 2 hands, one is short and one is long. Short hand tell us how many hours. Short hand called hours hand and long hand called minutes hand. And this is, you see, this is a thin hand, and this thin hand tell us seconds. So friends, how many numbers in clock face? Yes, total 12 numbers are clock face. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 numbers in clock face. Short hand will tell how many hours are passed, and long hand will tell how many minutes are passed. So friends, let's run to read the time. Friends, how many time at the clock? Yes, 2 o'clock. Because long hand in 12 and short hand in 2. And you see long hand in only 12 o'clock and short hand in any numbers, then the time is 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, all times. So this is 2 o'clock. Now we see another time. This is 4 o'clock. Because short hand is 4 and long hand is 12. So the time is 4 o'clock. So friends, now we see another time. So which is this time? Yes, this time is 6 o'clock. And long hand tell us how many minutes in the day, and short hand tell us how many hours in the day. So friends, now I am share with you what I am do to morning to night. So friends, this is morning time and sun rises in morning. And the time is 6 o'clock. And I am get up in the bed in 6 o'clock. And friends, the time is 7 o'clock. And I am eat breakfast and get ready in 7 o'clock. Then our school is start in 8 o'clock. Then I study with my friends in school, and I back to school. I back from school at 2 o'clock. Now I eat lunch and take some rest. Then this is afternoon time, and afternoon time is 5 o'clock. And this time I am playing with my friends in garden. Then I am back to home and complete my homework at 8 o'clock. Then I complete my dinner and get to sleep at 9 o'clock. So friends, I hope you all understand this time, and I repeat again this time. Now friends, 6 o'clock I will wake up in morning, and 7 o'clock I get ready to my school and eat breakfast. 8 o'clock I go to my school, and this time I will study with my friends. And 2 o'clock I will back to my home, and this time I will take rest and eat my lunch And this is more afternoon time, 5 o'clock. This time I will play with my friends. And this 8 o'clock, this time I will complete my homework. And 9 o'clock I will eat my dinner and sleep. So friends, I hope you all understand the clock time and you read the time. And the main times are morning, afternoon, evening and night. So today is no more. We are meeting next video. So if you new my channel, please like, subscribe, share and click the bell icon for further notification. So today is no more. Thank you. Bye.